Make It Happen Signage Academy. Mike, Wendy, me, Sam. What are we going to talk about? Signs, sales, and sustainability. Just a little bit. It's going to be like Piccadilly Circus. What I mean by that, it's going to be busy. We're going to be talking about flat cut letters. We're going to be talking about built up letters. We're going to be talking about stencil cut or router cut or push through sign trays. Yeah, we'll talk about sign trays too. And what about the different styles of illuminated letters? As it says here, we're in this all together. Be the change. Make it happen.
Illuminated Boot Camp, focusing on illuminated signs. We also touch on sections of this in our full-day boot camp. Who's ideal for this? Business owners, sales, project managers, artists, estimators, designers, production, installation, city planners, those new to the industry, and the seasoned veterans. We cover letters, panels, routed and backed, push through, pylons, monuments, flex faces, and new trends in the industry. It's going to be fun. It's going to be inspiring.
Hi, Wendy Graves with Make It Happen Signage Academy. We're thrilled to be back at ISA this year. I wanted to share a little bit about On the Front Line. You will have an opportunity to join us for 2 classes during the ISA Expo. For owners, inside and outside team members, project managers, designers, and more, where we focus on the client experience, having a plan that your team can follow and implement, working on our time management skills, and closing those jobs with the big budget questions. We're really excited to see you. Grab a seat today.
Hello, sign people of the ISA. My name is Dan Gillespie. I'm the Director of Technical Services for Alder Color Solutions, and I'm teaching and leading a workshop before the ISA show this year related to color management. It's called Everything You Need to Know About ICC. In that workshop, we're going to make you smart. You cannot run or hide from ICC color management. It's embedded in all of your design applications and print production /RIP softwares. So you can either get burned by it, or you can learn all about it and take advantage of it. So the things that we're going to cover in there will be the theory of ICC color management, how to properly build art files, how to create ICC profiles for your monitors and your printing devices. We'll show you how to build custom spot color libraries and do predictions based on the profiles that you have of your printing equipment, and make sure that you can take advantage of color management instead of wondering what's going on and wasting time and money. So I encourage you, please come join me come April. I believe it's the 22nd, Tuesday before the ISA show, and learn everything there is to know about color management 101.